In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your previous session in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're trying to get back to your most recent browsing activities or setting up Edge to do this automatically each time, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let me walk you through using the recently closed option. This is a handy way to quickly pick up where you left off. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you're inside the browser, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find three dots. Go ahead and click on them. This will open up the menu. Now look for the history option in this menu and click on it. From the options that appear, select recently closed. This will display a list of your recently closed windows and tabs. Simply choose the one you wish to restore and it will open right up. Next, let's configure Edge to automatically restore tabs from your previous session each time you start the browser. This is a great feature if you want to seamlessly continue your work or browsing without having to manually reopen every tab. Start by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner again. This time select Settings from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Settings menu, turn your attention to the left panel and find Start, Home and New Tabs. Click on this option. Here you'll see a section labelled On Startup. Select Open Tabs from previous session. With this setting enabled, each time you open Edge, your previous tabs will automatically be restored, saving you time and effort. Lastly, for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick command you can utilize. If you've accidentally closed a tab or window and want to reopen it without going through the menu, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. This shortcut will instantaneously reopen the last closed tab or window, bringing you back to exactly where you left off. And there you have it. 3 simple methods to restore your previous session in Microsoft Edge. Whether you like clicking through menus, configuring automatic settings, or using keyboard shortcuts, you now have the skills to make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. Remember, a little bit of setup goes a long way in making your digital life more convenient. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.